Chicago!
About chaos, no one knows a sign. Everyone thinks the road is mine. The embellish flying, tires screaming pain.
Lights are crossing, thunder in the lane.
Mr. Spellman's rolling, laughing free.
Low Star!
In chaos, Strava, that's reality. Panic Picture!
Víš jo, dobrá jim tam, ty.
Summer's here, the asphalt glows. Sweat keeps running down my nose. Sun is cooking every street. Even pigeons hate the heat.
Já jsem si přišel rád s kameřím.
This feels like one big grill. Nobody can sit there still. Every thought is crystal clear. Vacation time, get me out of here. Cool blue water fills my mind. A shady tree is hard to find. Ice cold drinks and lazy days. Far from deadlines, bills and haze. So I pack the car at dawn.
Tady, tudy, tudy.
Highway turns to stone. Guess I'm not the only one.
Strka ten telefon do ucha, nevleze mu tam, že?
Dárce.
Vyjel, myslel se. Kurva, dělej, šlápej!
Čau.
Hýbaj!
Sucho, od prdele se brášilo.
Jezus, to piči.
Poslušně hlásím, že mám pořádný hlad.
Méně žrát a více běhat.
Kam jedeš ty?
Toto jsem opravdu nečekal.
Čulím.
To je ale pravá ruka ďábla.
Tak to je debil.
Fuck this traffic, fuck this heat. Every highway's jam complete. Horns are screaming, brakes are red.
Everybody's losing their head.
Fuck the crowds, I'm taking flight.
Pošných půjdeš Turkovi.
Je to prostý pobíječ much. Flájboj.
There's a better road in sight.
Life's too short to stand in line. I'm gonna find a place that's
I'm gonna find a place.
kurva normální.
Campers crawling mile by mile. Nobody has seen a smile. Kids are crying.
Kokot trošku, ne?
Motorcycles split the lane. Truckers grumble, curse again. Someone cuts across the line. Everybody blows their mind.
Meanwhile, Mr. Spy Guy grins, leaves the madness where it spins, turns off where the road gets small.
Doesn't care at all.
Tiny Everybody's losing their head.
Fuck the crowds, I'm taking flight. There's a better road in sight.
Life's too short to stand in line.
I'm gonna find a place that's mine.
Put me up!
No beach bars, no noisy crowd, no giant speakers blasting loud, just birds singing in the trees, a gentle summer breeze, a quiet meadow, forest shade. Best vacation ever made. He parks beside a hidden stream, exactly like his perfect dream. Cold clear water, endless sky, not another soul nearby. Sun goes down with orange light, crickets start their show tonight. He smiles softly, takes it slow, thinking, now this is how to go. Fuck the highway, fuck the race, I'd rather find my secret place. Fuck the north, I'm finally free, just the forest, sky and me. Vesper's bag, I knows the way. Backroads make a better day, while everybody stops.
2 airbagy vpředu, 2 airbagy vzadu. Vpředu!
Hey,
Turn off the highway.
follow the back road
Find your own summer.
and fuck the traffic.
Nope.
Ahoj, Šišo. Můžeš mi vysvětlit, proč mi sedíš na místě?
Vybaj dozadu, ne? Co tam taky jenom projedeš?
Počkám, mě se zvozíš teďko.
Jak to?
Máš to nedopadlo dobře. Ztrájete znovu do Prahy. Říkáš, že to má blbé.